Hey everybody, MLToys here. Want to introduce you to our road tire package for the Power Wheels F-150. This is a great kit to get the vibrating your teeth jarring out of the monster traction wheels that come with the F-150's. Now the kit is designed to work with these wheels, which is the K82, 85, 2039 or 2239 wheels. There are a couple of F-150 models that come with a different tire, which is part number J4394-2529. If you have that tire, then we cannot confirm at this time that the kit will work for it, so don't buy it, or buy it at your own risk. So this kit is a little bit pricey. We do understand that. The reason behind that is that these parts are from Power Wheels, and these parts carry the price. We're not inflating the prices. There's just a lot of parts to it to make it work, and again, they're just not the least expensive parts out there. The kit keeps the same stance in the rear. The front tire does come out a little wider. I'll see if I can give you a look at that. And we've actually got a stock tire on that side. So you see it's not that much different between the two. There is one minor modification you may have to do. We left it so you can see it on here. If I turn full crank here, we'll rub a little bit of fender. You may need to trim that off on yours. Well, it mostly depends on how much sag you have in your steering system over time. The rear end of the kit does come with a new rear axle, which you just slide in. And other than that, there is a little custom modification. The website has the instructions on how to install it. A couple of holes that you have to drill. That's about it. There's no welding or fabricating you have to do. You just need a 3/4 inch and a 1 inch drill bit on some of the plastic parts to make them fit properly. So check it out on the MLToys website. And just another option that you have for your F-150 if you're just running it on road and you want a smoother ride.